What's up, everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm not working on a daggone thing, but I am going to talk to you about aftermarket crap from China. Check this out. Working on this Ford pickup truck, and I'm putting a water pump in, and the tube was bad. So I hunted the tube down, bought it from a local auto parts store. I'm not going to say who I bought it from. And they sent it to me in a Dorman, from Dorman. I fought this daggone thing for 20 minutes, thinking it was me just not putting it in correctly, trying to get it lined up. Finally, I got ticked off. I called the same company back. I said, man, send me something different. I said, this is not working. They sent me another Dorman part. This one right here. Took it out, stuck it in the hole, and literally, in 3 seconds, it was installed, and done. And, you know, this piece of pipe, I guess that's my beef. You know, you get crap from China, both of them from the same thing. This pipe was 85 bucks. There's no way this pipe's $85 to begin with. I guarantee it's shipped from China. They're buying so many of them, they're probably paying under $5 a piece for them. But my thing is, there's nobody regulating this. I mean, they just make massive pounds of shit and send it over here. And then, you know, they make so much money, they don't care. They'll just take this one and throw in the trash because they're quadrupling their money. My tip for today is, when you're working on your car, be a little particular about what you buy. Examine it before you start working on it. Try to match things up. I unfortunately couldn't match it up because the one that was in the car was destroyed, so I didn't have the ability to do that. Either way, you got a 50-50 shot of getting crap from China. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Definitely tell me if you've come across something like this before, just aftermarket crap. All right, appreciate you watching. Catch you later.